Have you ever sold a product to a customer and later the customer returned it because it was damaged? Most business owners don't know how to properly record this transaction. As a result, their sales records become inaccurate and they don't know the actual profit. Watch the end of this video because I will show you the simple document business use to solve this problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel with Marvel. This is the 6th of our 90 days bookkeeping challenge where we are learning practical bookkeeping step by step using a real Nigerian business example. If this is your first time seeing this series, go back and watch the previous lesson because we are building your bookkeeping knowledge from beginner level to professional level. Let's assume you own a pharmacy business in Abuja. A customer bought drugs worth 50,000 naira on credit. After getting home, the customer discovered that some of these products were damaged. The customer returned the product worth 10,000 naira. Now, this question is, should the customer still pay the full 50,000 naira? Of course, no. The pharmacy now prepare a credit note, what we call a credit note. A credit note is simply a document issued by a seller to reduce the amount owned by a customer. The seller is saying, because you returned these goods, your debt has been reduced. So now let us see the practical example using Excel.
Many business lose money because they don't keep proper returns goods. Some customer return goods and the business owner forget to update the records. At the month end, the sales report become inaccurate. This is why credit notes are important. Without proper record, you may think customer owe you 1 million naira when the actual amount is much lower because of return goods. So I'm going to guide you on how we can get our new amount owed when a customer return goods. So before, this is a credit note register in Excel. This is actually the credit. This is the credit note invoice number. This is the credit note number, and this is the customer's names in these columns or the company name purchasing, and this is the original credit sales. This is the actual amount the customer purchased, and this is the goods return, and this is the credit note issue. This is the credit note issue. This column is for credit note issue, and here is the new amount owed. This is the new amount owed by the customer. So how are we going to record all this, or how can we get our new amount owed? So first of all, we're going to press equals to in this column of new amount owed. In this new amount owed, you put your control in this 50,000 naira. In this original credit sales, you press minus the goods return. Remember, you put your cost, you are going to minus your original credit sales. You're going to minus your goods return from the original credit sales. So you're going to, when you put minus, you click on goods return and you click enter. It's 40,000 naira. And one good thing about Excel will help you when you come here, you drag everything down. Excel will help you auto sum everything automatically. So but let me guide you step by step on how you can achieve this here manually without Excel helping you to automate everything. After I'm going to still tell you how you can do it in easiest way. Excel will help you automate everything. So first of all, so we're going to highlight all this one and delete it. So when you put your cost here, you press equals to your actual credit sales minus your goods return, and you click enter. So the following day, if another customer B or a maker customer or any other customer purchase a goods also, you also put your cost here and you put the original credit sales minus goods return and you click enter. So if you don't want to continue doing everything manually, you can actually drag everything down. Excel will help you to calculate everything automatically as far as you have gotten the first value. The first value is very important. When you get the first value, Excel will help you automatically get the whole answer. So if you want to know the total amount of new amount owed, so you are going to click here. We press auto sum. Come here, you click your auto sum, you press sum. So Excel will help you automatically calculate everything. So how much is the new amount owned by the customer for this week? Is 817,000 naira. So how much is the credit note issue? Let's note our how much credit note issue is 188,000 naira. How much is the goods returns? The total of goods return. We want to know the total of goods return. You put your cursor here and you press sum. Is 188,000 naira. How much is the original credit sales? Original credit sales. Let's put our cursor here. Let us know our original. So you press here or close sum. You press sum, and if that is 1,005,000, 1,005,000. But if you don't want to auto sum, you want to do it or highlight everything, there's another method you can use. Let us use another method. This method, you press equals to sum, open bracket, you highlight everything. When you highlight everything, you close the bracket and you press sum. Everything Excel will help you automate a very good thing, recording your credit sales using Excel. And how do we get this formula? This is the example of how we get the formula. New amount O equals to original credit sales. That you're going to minus your, you're going to put in this new amount. Look at new amount O. New amount O, you put your cursor here, you press equals to original credit sales. This is the original credit sales minus goods return. You're going to put minus goods return. It will give you the actual figure you are looking for. Quick question, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever returned a product after buying it? Comment yes or no in the comment section. I have a created practical bookkeeping template that business and accounting students can use, including credit note, debit note, cash book, sales register, expenses tracker, inventory template, financial reporting template. If you need this credit note template used in this lesson, comment credit note template and I will send it to you. After learning bookkeeping manually, the next step is learning how professionals automate accounting work using accounting software. That is why I created my complete stage 50 accounting course, where I teach you how to manage business records professional using accounting software. Follow Excel with Marvelous for day 7. See you guys in my next video. Bye.